Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today this plan is to get the bike serviced. Service in the sense it's not a major service, it is just general service that I do when the bike crosses 1,000 kilometer mark. Like I do it for my concern. It is not so it is not mandatory everyone should do it after 1,000 kilometers, but I keep doing long rides, and that's why so I keep doing long rides, and for that sake I get the bike service and just like the oil check, the air filter cleaning, the throttle body cleaning and all that. All of a sudden this stupid GoPro stopped working. It said battery required, though I had full charge on the battery. I had to stop by the side and remove the battery and put it back in. This was the one main reason why I switched from the GoPro 8 to GoPro, what I'm having now, 11. Even this is playing around for no reason. I just impromptu start the vlog because I didn't check the battery percentage nor the memory card storage, whatever storage is left. Simply for no reason this keeps shutting down. Now, if it doesn't pick the audio, I'm going to throw this GoPro away. I'm actually taking out the bike, in fact starting the bike after almost more than 20 days. So you can see the bike is really dirty and I don't like it if it's dirty. I think I'll get it washed in the showroom. You can see the dirt all the way. See all this dust from Goa is still there on the bike. I know it's not a good way. One main reason I am getting the service right now done is I need to get the throttle body cleaned up. I'll tell you why. Because these bikes require fuel above 95 plus octane, 95 and 95 plus octane, which we can get it in city and the closer state highways. When we go out for long rides, I don't think you get these good fuels. So you need to fuel your bike up with whatever is available, the regular petroleum, which I don't like because I don't know for other bikes. For the 10R, if you fill up regular fuel, the bike tends to keep the bike tends to stall at lower RPMs or at idle, and also the engine coughs a bit. That is why I don't like putting regular fuel on the bike. But on the highway we had no chance. I mean, on the highway we had no other option. Okay. Though I come into this service center a couple of times, I still don't know the route exactly. So yeah, the bike will be fueled up with what? Regular fuel. Sometimes I filled up 100 octane, sometimes 95 octane. So mixture of all this, and I'll be riding it in full power mode sometimes, so in which the ECU gets activated and the fuel ratio is not in terms, I mean it's not in par with the alignment. Please slow down the bike. I don't think this is the correct route or something. Let me see. I missed the route as usual. Okay, I need to go straight, take left. This is what I was saying, it takes time to start, it stalls. So yeah, I'll just quickly get done with the service. I think the service should take around half an hour or 45 minutes. And yeah. Yes. Done with the service. Bye sir. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Now the bike feels smooth and the brakes are actually quicker. Generally this small general service would come up to 2000, which includes a throttle body cleaning, so the service comes around 2000. That is what I have been charged this time also. That includes the throttle body cleaning, air filter cleaning, and chain looping and all that. While the service was going on, found out the brake pads are done. 7500 kilometers, not bad. Then I have to change the brake pads as well. I ordered the EBC brake pads. Yeah, unfortunately I have to change the brake pads. The brake pads alone costed me somewhere around 6,900. 6,900 for the brake pads and 2,000 rupees for the service. The air filter was fully dusty, and yeah, obviously I got them cleaned and all that. It's clearly written over here, I think. It says 95 plus 95 octane and above fuel rating, but everywhere it isn't available. My old brake pads, I don't know how it wore out this much. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.
This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah, this one for the winners if you with me. Yeah. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Yeah. It's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's what I stand on.